पहुंच गई हूँ इस बार मॉस्को रशिया में एंड finally I've got done with all the immigration process. They actually asked me so many questions. My immigration as a solo traveler was not a very easy process because they had so many doubts why I was traveling all by my own, why am I a single person traveling to Moscow, and why am I going to Murmansk, which is in my itinerary. But yeah, I explained then everything and blah 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 blah. Finally, I've got my passport back, and another problem that has happened with me was my bank cards were not working in the ATM. So I met another Indian, Mr. Sheikh, who is a student in here, and he has basically helped me through the cash ka problem, and now everything is resolved. Our taxi is booked, so now we're gonna go. So right now I'm in the cab and my hotel is approximately 42 kilometers from here. Roads तो बहुत ही प्यारी हैं but हवा बहुत ठंडी है, पता नहीं क्या हाल होगा मेरा. Welcome to my room. It's a very bit small one, but fine, I'm not complaining. It's good enough for me. Today I am all traveling solo and I am right now outside to buy a new SIM and to eat something. Okay, there is one thing that you should keep in mind is that never buy a new SIM card from the airport. They charge you like literally so much. Instead, come down to the hotel, go to a local convenience store and buy a SIM from there. That would be much cheaper, and that's what I'm gonna do now. And look at the view. I'm begging you, put your love in that, baby. I'm begging you, put your love in. Almost end of day one, and before that I was traveling throughout the night. I couldn't sleep properly, I did not eat properly because of course it was the whole night flight. And so finally I've gotten to a place which is called Rock and Roll, and I will be sitting here all by myself of course, and we'll be drinking some things, eating something. So all the menus, everything is written in Russian, so I'm not very sure how would I understand it and what am I going to order. It's going to be a blunder, but yeah, that's going to be a good experience. Good morning, it's day 2 and it's going to be like 7:30 or 8 o'clock. And बहुत ही प्यारा नज़ारा है मेरी विंडो से. And yeah, there's one thing that one should remember, Indians especially, while coming to Russia, is that the commode, they do not come with jet. So yeah, but we Indians are jugadu people, so we are anyway very pro in it, and of course we'll find a solution, though which is the way I found a solution for my own self. Got done with all my morning chores, and now I'm gonna like sit and relax for some time, and then I'm gonna get ready and go out and explore some more. I have just started from my hotel, morning 9 o'clock, and आज तो it's all cloudy in here, and I'm gonna walk again. मस्त जगह यार, मस्त प्लेस है. I mean मज़ा आ रहा है एकदम. सुबह सुबह पूरा साफ़ सफाई हो गया यहाँ पर. Another great thing about Russia is that there are so many such kind of scooters. It's called so there is an app called Whoosh through which you can actually rent a scooter, and they are everywhere, like almost everywhere, and they have their designated parking. आज इनका अंडरपास भी देख लिया, और भाई कितना क्लीन है यार. Yandex.go and Yandex.maps, so it will tell you like it's much better to use these apps instead of Google apps. Or in that app you'll see like a dotted line and very faded dotted line. So faded dotted line means it's an underpass, and not faded one means it's on the road. So that is what I have followed, and I've come to the other side.
Approximately 2 kilometers from my hotel, I have reached to Bolshoi Theatre, which is at the back. So there are like so many shows that happen at Bolshoi Theatre. You have to book like really in advance, a week or 2 weeks before, to watch the shows like ballet, and there are many other shows as well. I'll mention it in the description. Now I'm inside the cafe and I'm gonna have my brunch. So I'm eating omelette with spinach and sugarless coffee for me. Yeah. Till now I haven't had any bad experiences food wise. I'm actually avoiding any food item that has fish in it. So yeah. So now there has been no disaster. So I'm loving it. Here inside State Historic Museum of Russia, and the tickets are for 800 rupees. You can just walk in inside and buy one ticket for yourself. They accept cards, cash and everything. Finally reached Moscow, and I am going where she is currently, which is Radisson Blu, sort of saved by some few more Indian tourists who were there in the same flight as hers. So finally, much troubles later, मैं finally अभी आई हूँ Radisson Blu में, and finally I am meeting my senior.
पहुंच गए हम
फाइनली, मतलब इतने ट्रबल्स के बाद फाइनली शी हैज गॉटन आउट, एंड फाइनली मैं मिल गई।
Luckily we met some nice people today.
Yes.
Oh my god.
ये सारी स्टोरीज आएंगी, सब कुछ आएंगे, सब बताएंगे कि क्या हुआ था, क्या
Oh god.
क्या वैसा हुआ है, और
आगे भी होगा,
और आगे भी बहुत होने वाला है, बिकॉज हम मतलब वो बता नहीं सकते, यू कांट जस्ट इमेजिन कि मतलब क्या क्या होने वाला है और क्या क्या हुआ है। सो या सी यू गाइस, बाय बाय। वही फिर से पैदल चलने वाला रास्ता पकड़ लिया हम लोगों ने। वी आर गोइंग, सो देयर इज दिस वेरी फेमस पब कॉल्ड प्रोपेगेंडा, एंड हम लोग वहीं जा रहे हैं। देखते हैं हाउ डज इट टर्न आउट। ठंड बहुत है भाई साहब। वेलकम टू डे 3 ऑफ मॉस्को एक्सप्लोरेशन, एंड
For me.
day 2 for Raka. Again, Moscow being in its full glory, same pretty beautiful place, and we are looking pretty too. Yay! रुके हैं कन्वीनियंस स्टोर में क्योंकि दी के पैरों में आ गई है, क्या आ गया आपके पैरों में, कट आ गया है, शू बाइट्स बेसिकली। तो हम लोग रुककर बैंडेड ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर। और अब मैं आ गई हूँ मॉस्को के द मोस्ट फेमस टूरिस्टिक डेस्टिनेशन, विच इज सेंट बेसिल्स कैथेड्रल, एंड the Red Square of Moscow. We are here today finally at the Saint Basil's Cathedral. And it doesn't matter to us, and we have actually danced and looking like a fool, and people are actually coming and taking pictures. Yeah, it was in my bucket list since so long, and finally I'm here, and so check from my bucket list. So I'm really happy today, very happy. Long live Moscow! We are here at Gorky Central Park at Riverside. We were planning actually to get a cruise for night boating ride, but I'm not very sure. So since this is our first time in here, let's see how it goes. So we are generally commuting through cabs, and cab drivers are the most polite people, and they won't charge you extra if they like ride you 1 mile extra, and they are really good people in here. So yeah, that is one of the experiences that you must get when you are in here. Definitely for